If your Firebox door glass is scratched or damaged, replacing it fast is key to keeping your fireplace safe and looking good. So, first up, you want to make sure you get the right type of glass. Most fireboxes use tempered or ceramic glass because they can handle the heat without cracking. Before you start, let the fireplace cool down completely. Like seriously, no rushing here. Next, carefully remove the door from the firebox, usually by loosening some screws or clips holding it in place. Once you have the door off, gently take out the broken or scratched glass. Wear gloves to avoid cuts. You don't want to get hurt handling broken glass. When ordering your new glass, measure the exact size of the old one, including thickness, so it fits perfectly. Installing the new glass usually means putting it back in the frame and tightening those screws or clips without overdoing it. Too tight can crack the glass. After everything is back together, test your door to make sure it seals properly. A bad seal can let smoke escape, which is the last thing you want. And finally, clean the new glass regularly with a fireplace glass cleaner to keep it clear and prevent future scratches. One of the biggest problems people run into with Firebox door glass replacement is buying the wrong type of glass. Going with regular glass instead of tempered or ceramic can lead to dangerous cracks from heat. Fix this by double-checking the specs before ordering and asking your supplier if you're unsure. Another common mistake is over-tightening the screws when reinstalling the glass, which can cause it to crack under pressure. Tighten just enough to hold it firmly, but not so much that it stresses the glass. Lastly, some folks don't clean the glass properly and end up scratching it with abrasive cleaners or rough cloths. Stick to a soft cloth and a cleaner made specifically for fireplace glass to avoid this. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding local, trusted contractors for home repairs super easy, so you don't have to stress about who to call. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners looking for your services and grow your business.